Investors are jumping ship and abandoning Tesla. But this breakthrough news could have them all crawling back as Tesla sets itself up for a bull run this coming winter. We'll be breaking down the news in today's video, so stay tuned. Welcome to Trade Daily, where we break down all the best stock market news. Like and subscribe to keep up to date with the stock market. And I really hope you enjoy this video. The rally in fast-growing technology stocks continued Friday after economic news released yesterday charged up stocks in sectors like electric vehicles. But EV leader Tesla was underperforming startups like Lucid Group and Rivian Automotive, while Lucid and Rivian shares jumped nearly 9% and over 5%, respectively. Tesla stock didn't spike. Tesla shares were up just 2.5%, while Lucid and Rivian stocks were higher by 6.2% and 4.5%, respectively. Lucid and Rivian both reported third-quarter earnings updates this week, and it was a mixed bag. Both continue to lose vast amounts of money, which was expected. The response to Rivian's report was more positive because its pre-order backlog continues to grow, and the company is quickly ramping up production volumes. Lucid reported a decline in reservations but said it still expects to hit its conservative production target for 2022. Both companies have a large amount of cash on hand. Rivian expects its cash balance to carry it just through 2025, and Lucid only into the fourth quarter of next year. So it's an interesting dynamic that Tesla, which has generated more than $6 billion in free cash flow in just the first 9 months of 2022, has been underperforming these startups. It hasn't just been today. Over the past month, Tesla shares are down nearly 14%, while both Lucid and Rivian have had positive returns. The difference seems to be the distraction of Tesla CEO Elon Musk taking over Twitter. That led to Musk selling nearly $4 billion of his Tesla holdings over a 4-day span this week. Reports today say that he let Twitter employees know he sold Tesla shares to generate cash to save Twitter. Tesla investors seem to be wondering just how much time and money Twitter might cost Musk. After his most recent share sales, it's reasonable to wonder if there will be more coming if Twitter needs more cash injections. It also follows that a struggling business will take more of Musk's time and attention. Economic news yesterday also energized investors in early-stage growth companies like Lucid and Rivian. With the Consumer Price Index showing that inflation slowed last month, investors translate that into a slowdown in the Federal Reserve's interest rate hike plans. That means future capital needs could be less expensive. As mentioned, both Lucid and Rivian will likely need to raise further capital. The takeaway for investors is that there could be an opportunity to build in Tesla. If its highly profitable business continues to grow at the 50% rate that it has been achieving, and Tesla's share price drops for reasons unrelated to the business, long-term investors should want to take advantage, especially with the news about the Cybertruck production taking a huge step forward. You see, we've done some research and found that Tesla is starting to hire workers specifically for Cybertruck production at Gigafactory, Texas, according to job listings seen by Trade Daily. When Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck back in 2019, Tesla said that the electric pickup truck would make it to market by the end of 2021. As the deadline was approaching, the automaker confirmed that production slipped to 2022. CEO Elon Musk later said that Tesla was targeting a start of production for the electric pickup truck in late 2022 at Gigafactory, Texas. With the focus clearly on bringing the Model Y to production at the factory, and that being delayed as well, it appeared likely that the Cybertruck production timeline could also slip. In March 2022, it was confirmed that Tesla aims to complete Cybertruck development this year for production in 2023, and in June, Musk said that Tesla is aiming for production to start in mid-2023. In its communications, Tesla has stuck to a mid-2023 timeline over the last few months, and it is starting to become more real than just words, with actual production equipment specific to Cybertruck coming to Gigafactory, Texas. Now Trade Daily has even spotted the first job listings specific to Cybertruck production, confirming that Tesla is starting to hire for the electric pickup truck program in Texas. Tesla currently has 6 job listings related to Cybertruck production at Gigafactory, Texas. One is for someone to lead Cybertruck production, and the automaker just added 5 new listings for Cybertruck BIW. And just before we continue, we're giving away a $50 Amazon gift card every single day. You just need to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and get the bell on. Also, comment at Love Trade Daily to lock in your entry. Winners will be contacted privately. Good luck. Now let's not waste another second and get right back into the video. BIW stands for Body in White, which is the step in the production process where the vehicle's body is put together. This is expected to be a challenge for Tesla when it comes to the Cybertruck, since it has been designed with an exoskeleton stainless steel body. which is unlike the general method with a body frame of panels. The company has ordered the world's biggest casting machine in order to be able to build the electric pickup truck's body, and since it's a technology used on a new scale, Tesla is expected to have some kinks to iron out before moving to mass production. Tesla wrote in the job description for dimensional engineer on the Cybertruck BIW team. The dimensional engineer will work with production teams and report to the dimensional engineering manager for BIW Cybertruck, working closely with sustaining engineering to understand, help define, and ensure lines are following body accuracy, fit, gap, and craftsmanship specs. From these key indicators drive actions back to body lines. Tesla is also still looking for a manufacturing operations leader for the Cybertruck program. The automaker wrote in the job description, "We're looking for a highly motivated leader to build world-class teams and lead Cybertruck operations at Gigafactory, Texas. You will be responsible for meeting the production forecast and ensuring company goals are achieved. The ideal candidate will have a track record of significant achievements, tremendous drive, and a willingness to roll up their sleeves." As we reported last week, Tesla is also still looking to hire an overall leader at Gigafactory, Texas to oversee all manufacturing programs at the plant, more commonly referred to as a plant director. The plant director will definitely have a lot on his hands as Tesla opens its EV connector design to other automakers. Elon Musk's Tesla has started to allow other automakers to use its EV connector design. The Tesla charging connector, which combines a C charging and up to 1 megawatt of DC in a slim package, is the most well-known connector in North America, the company said in a blog post. It is half the size, twice as powerful, and has no moving parts compared to combined charging system connectors. We invite charging network operators and vehicle manufacturers to put the Tesla charging connector and charge port, now called the North American Charging Standard, on their equipment and vehicles, the EV maker said. Tesla's supercharging network has 60% more NACS posts than all the CCS-equipped networks combined, it added. NACS is the common charging standard in the US. Tesla owners can expect charging at other networks without adapters, as network operators already have plans in place to implement NACS at their chargers. We look forward to future electric vehicles incorporating the NACS design and charging at Tesla's North American supercharging and destination charging networks, Tesla said. We are actively working with relevant standards bodies to codify Tesla's charging connector as a public standard. This is great news for Tesla investors, as the company becoming a public standard only cements its place in the EV market and grows the stock value. Them being the standard would also mean buying parts and doing business with Tesla becomes more and more attractive to other brands in the industry. I can only see all of this news as a positive for Tesla. But this view isn't shared by most investors. There have been reports that a huge Tesla bull and longtime holder has jumped ship and completely abandoned his views on Tesla based on its recent stock performance and Elon's Twitter acquisition. We break down everything you need to know in this video right here.
And with that, we've come to the end of the video. I'd like to give a huge shout out to anyone who's made it this far. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd also like to make it clear that this is a news and entertainment video, not investment advice. You should always do your own research and speak to a financial advisor before making any investments. Thank you all so much for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the chance to win up to $20,000 in Amazon gift cards. And we'll see you in the next video. If you want more crazy trade news, how about this video we did?